5 natural ways to instantly relieve ear pressure. When you're feeling that uncomfortable pressure in your ears, it can be an unsettling sensation. That ear pressure can be caused by a number of different things, including flying, swimming, and even a sinus infection. Thankfully, there are a few natural ways to instantly relieve that pressure and make it a thing of the past. From using a warm compress to consuming certain foods, this video will explore 5 natural ways to instantly relieve ear pressure. So if you're looking for some quick and easy solutions, watch on to find out more. What causes ear pressure? Before we jump into the ways to relieve ear pressure, it's important to understand what causes it in the first place. The most common cause of ear pressure is a blockage of the Eustachian tubes, which are tiny tubes that connect the back of the nose to the middle ear. This blockage can be caused by anything from allergies to sinus infections to a cold. When the Eustachian tubes become blocked, the air pressure inside the ear becomes different than the air pressure outside the ear, leading to a feeling of ear pressure. Another common cause of ear pressure is flying. When flying, the air pressure in the cabin changes quickly and the Eustachian tubes can't keep up, leading to a feeling of ear pressure. Swimming can also cause ear pressure, as the pressure of the water outside the ear is greater than the pressure of the air inside the ear. Now that we understand what causes ear pressure, let's take a look at some of the natural ways to relieve it. Using a warm compress. One of the simplest and most effective ways to relieve ear pressure is to use a warm compress. The warmth of the compress helps to relax the muscles around the Eustachian tubes and open them up, relieving the pressure in the ear. To use a warm compress, simply soak a cloth or towel in warm water, wring it out, and apply it to the affected ear for 10 to 15 minutes. You can also use a hot water bottle or a heating pad if you don't have access to a cloth. Eating foods rich in magnesium. Another way to relieve ear pressure is to eat foods that are rich in magnesium. Magnesium helps to relax the muscles around the Eustachian tubes, making it easier for the air pressure to equalize between the inside and outside of the ear. Foods that are rich in magnesium include leafy green vegetables, nuts, and legumes. Eating these foods can help to relieve ear pressure almost instantly. Chewing gum. Chewing gum is another simple, yet effective, way to relieve ear pressure. When you chew gum, it helps to open up the Eustachian tubes and equalize the pressure in the ear. It's important to choose sugar-free gum to avoid irritating the ear further. Drinking plenty of fluids. Drinking plenty of fluids is also important for relieving ear pressure. Staying hydrated helps to thin out the mucus in the Eustachian tubes, making it easier for the air pressure to equalize. Water is the best choice, but other fluids such as fruit and vegetable juices can also help. Yawning and swallowing. Yawning and swallowing are 2 other simple ways to relieve ear pressure. When you yawn or swallow, it helps to open up the Eustachian tubes and equalize the pressure in the ear. This can provide almost instant relief from ear pressure. Practicing relaxation techniques. Sometimes, the discomfort of ear pressure can be exacerbated by stress and anxiety. Practicing relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and yoga can help to relax the muscles around the Eustachian tubes and reduce the feeling of ear pressure. When to see a doctor. If you're experiencing frequent or severe ear pressure, it's best to see a doctor. Your doctor can help to determine the cause of the ear pressure and recommend a course of treatment. In some cases, medications such as antibiotics may be prescribed to treat an underlying infection. Conclusion. Ear pressure can be an uncomfortable and even painful sensation, but there are a few natural ways to instantly relieve it. From using a warm compress to eating foods rich in magnesium, these simple solutions can provide almost instant relief. If you're experiencing frequent or severe ear pressure, it's best to see a doctor for further evaluation and treatment.